Do you struggle with painting realistic looking clouds? Trust me, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 tips that are easy to follow and will help you paint realistic looking clouds no matter what painting medium you are applying. Hi friends, this is Monica and I share tips and tools to help you improve your drawing based on classical drawing principles. So if this is the first time we are meeting, consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell button because without that, you will not get notifications of new videos. Now before we get started, pay attention to the location of horizon on your painting surface. If you want to paint clouds as your primary subject, then you want to keep maximum area available for the sky part. So in that case, it makes sense to draw horizon towards the lower part of the painting. However, if clouds are just another element and your focus of the painting is something else, then it doesn't really matter and you can choose horizon based on other factors. So now let's get into tip number 1. Now let's look at this painting full of clouds. Note that the topmost edge of a painting is considered closest to the viewer and the horizon is the farthest away. So according to the rules of perspective, the clouds painted near the topmost edge will appear bigger and will reduce in size as you move towards horizon. So much so that the clouds painted near horizon might appear nothing more than a horizontal line. Tip number 2. Clouds reflect the colors in the sky. Even though we tend to view clouds as something white, but they are really made up of transparent water particles. So they reflect the light that falls onto them. So which means that you want to make sure you use the same color harmony that you are using to paint sky. Okay, before we get to tip number 3, I wanted to mention that I have a bonus tip in the end. So watch till the end and leave in comments below which tip did you like the best. So my tip number 3 is about the edges. Since clouds are very soft entities, so to make them look realistic, you want to make sure that there are no hard edges. So try to blend the edges between the light and shade areas and also the edges between the overlapping clouds. Okay, time for the bonus tip. Let's look at this painting again. One of the things that makes this painting so fascinating to watch is the direction of the light. Yes, that's right. You want to watch out where exactly the light is coming from, which means that where exactly the sun is with respect to the clouds, even if the sun is not a part of the painting. So here in this case, the sun is setting and it is below the clouds and is lighting up the bottom edge of the cloud, which makes them look even more magnificent. Most of the paintings you see in this video were actually custom made for a friend of mine. So if you have any favorite subject that you would like to see painted on a canvas or a paper, don't hesitate to connect with me via my website. You can also leave a comment below or connect with me via Facebook. I'll add the links in the description below.